Hello, good morning everyone. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in Perth, Western Australia, and I'm here in my car today speaking to you all. And today, what I wanted to speak to you about is gratitude. So, it's so let's start with what is gratitude? What does this word mean and how can it help us? So, simply put, gratitude is being thankful. Thankful for whatever we have in our lives currently, and just being thankful is what, simply put, that's what gratitude means. Being grateful or showing gratitude is just, simply put, it just means being thankful. Hi Steve, thanks for watching. In terms of how being grateful can help us, I will share one of my personal experiences here. Thanks, Bala. And that experience is that I was in uni at that time, and I wanted to top my class, and I always used to think that, okay, I need to work hard. I need to, hi Prabhakar, I need to work hard. I need to put in more hours. I need to read more books. I need to excel just to be the best in my class, in my subject. But what one of my friends, or rather I should say my mentor, suggested to me is that, Rashmi, of course, you are putting in a lot of effort, you're doing the studies, but can you just try practicing one thing? And I was like, what? Hi, Anil. And she said that, why don't you be thankful for what you have currently in your studies, like, whatever you have achieved till now. And that made me think that, yes, when I looked back, all I could remember was probably from year 5 onwards, that I topped the school, and I'd done very well in painting competitions as well. So that's one of my hobbies. And I realized that, yes, we always try to look forward to what we want, but in that race, or in that game of getting forward, getting ahead in life, we tend to forget what is that we have currently, and just practicing that every single day helped me get a high distinction in one of my MBA units, and that was the capstone unit, which is a double unit for those of you who know the Australian master's structure. And I was full-term pregnant with my second baby, so it wasn't easy. But what helped me was being grateful for the fact that, I was able to attend uni while I was full-time pregnant. Being grateful for the fact that I have a supportive husband, a very caring and supportive in-laws and parents, and just the little things in life, like, I practice that on a regular basis. And what I've started doing now is I write it every single night. And if I miss the night, then I write it in the morning. Just 3 things that I'm grateful for. So, like, I missed it last night, but I wrote this morning. And it's just simple things that I'm grateful for. Like the 3 things that I was grateful for yesterday is the sun. We are in autumn, and I could just put the clothes on drying, and they dried in a couple of hours. Isn't that amazing? There are so many people in different parts of the world who would give anything for that. Hi, Swella. And the second thing that I was grateful for yesterday was my little daughter. When I played with her, she gave me a cuddle, and I was like, wow, isn't that amazing that, you just spend a little bit of time with your kids and they're so happy. So that was the second thing that I was grateful for yesterday. And the third thing was that I have a beautiful house. And isn't that an amazing thing? It might not be the biggest or the greatest, but again, having a house, having a shelter on top of your head, isn't that amazing? So that's what I wanted to speak to you all about. So if you want to achieve more in your life, just be grateful, just be thankful for what you currently have. So gratitude, as we discussed today, it's just the ability or the process that you are thankful for whatever you have currently in your lives. It could be as simple as being able to breathe nice fresh air, the rain, the grass, the garden, the people in your life, the food that you eat. So everything that you currently have, if you're thankful for that. Hi Priyal, thanks for watching. Yeah, so if you are thankful for what you have, the universe, God, or that upper force puts hands together to get you more of what you want. So try that. Like, share, or comment on my video. If there is anything that you would like me to speak to you about, just let me know. And this is me signing off. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy your weekend. I'm off to a very, very exciting event. That's why, you probably see me dressed up on a Saturday morning. But I'm really excited, but I'll speak to you later. Bye for now. God bless you all.